Konark temple in Odisha, which is often referred as the Black Pagoda, was built during the reign of which of the following dynasties? The correct answer is C, that is Eastern Ganga dynasty. So Konark is a small town in the Puri district in the state of Odisha, and it is the site of the 13th century Sun temple, also known as the Black Pagoda, and built in black granite during the reign of Narasimha Deva, a distinguished ruler of Ganga dynasty. British East India Company was abolished in which of the following years? The correct answer is A, that is 1858. So the company lost all its administrative powers following the Government of India Act of 1858, and its Indian possession and armed forces were taken over by the Crown. The Red Fort was built during the reign of which of the following Mughal emperors? The correct answer is C, that is Shah Jahan. So the Red Fort complex was built as the palace fort of Shahjahanabad, the new capital of the 5th Mughal emperor of India, Shah Jahan. Buland Darwaza is built by which of the following Mughal rulers to celebrate the victory over Gujarat? The correct answer is D, that is Akbar. So Buland Darwaza or the door of victory was built in 1575 AD by Mughal Emperor Akbar to commemorate his victory over Gujarat, and it is the main entrance to the Jama Masjid at Fatehpur Sikri, which is 43 km from Agra. And Buland Darwaza is the highest gateway in the world and is an example of Mughal architecture. During the reign of which of the following emperor did the East India Company British entered India for the purpose of trade? The correct answer is C, that is Jahangir. So they landed in the Indian subcontinent on 24th August 1608 at the port of Surat, and Mughal Emperor Jahangir granted a farman to Captain William Hawkins, permitting the English to erect a factory at Surat in 1613. The Battle of Samugarh took place in which year? The correct answer is D, that is 1658. So Battle of Samugarh happened in 29th May 1658, and decisive struggle in a contest for the throne between the sons of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan after the emperor's serious illness in September 1657. Who among the following leaders coined the slogan Jai Hind, as most of the people believe? The correct answer is A, that is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So Subhash Chandra Bose coined the slogan Jai Hind, but a book on legends of Hyderabad says it was first used by a man from that city who gave up his engineering studies in Germany to become Netaji's secretary and interpreter. Which of the following rulers is the last Sultan of Khilji dynasty? The correct answer is C, that is Khusro Khan. So Khusro Khan was the last ruler of Khilji dynasty. He ruled Delhi for a period of 4 months before being killed by Ghazi Malik in 1320 AD. The Peacock Throne, a famous golden throne, was built for which of the following rulers? The correct answer is A, that is Shah Jahan. It was commissioned in the early 17th century by Emperor Shah Jahan and was located in the Diwan-e-Khas in the Red Fort of Delhi, and it was named after a peacock as 2 peacocks are shown dancing at its rear. The kingdom of Mysore is founded by Yadurai Vodiyar in which of the following years? The correct answer is B, that is 1399. So the dynasty was established in 1399 by Yadurre Vodiyar. He ruled Mysore under the Vijayanagara Empire until 1423. Which of the following persons has coined the term Pakistan in the third round table conference held in London on November 17, 1932? The correct answer is C, that is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. So the Pakistan National Movement was founded in 1933 by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, who is also credited with creating the name Pakistan for a separate Muslim homeland in South Asia. The Gurmukhi script is started by which of the following Sikh gurus? The correct answer is D, that is Guru Angad. So Gurmukhi was invented in the mid 16th century by Angad, the second Sikh Guru, in order to correct certain inadequacies in the scripts so that sacred literature might be accurately recorded. Mughal Emperor Shahabuddin Muhammad Khurram is popularly known as, the correct answer is B, that is Shah Jahan. So Prince Khurram grew up to be known as Shah Jahan, and he was the fifth Mughal emperor who reigned from 1628 to 1658, and he built the famous Taj Mahal during his reign. The Battle of Khanwa took place in which year? The correct answer is A, that is 1527. So the Battle of Khanwa was fought near the village of Khanwa in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan on 16th March 1527, and it was fought between the forces of the first Mughal emperor Babur and the Rajput forces led by Rana Sanga of Mewar after the Battle of Panipat. Who is considered as the father of unrest during the freedom struggle? The correct answer is C, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So Tilak was one of the early nationalists who changed the course of the independence movement by incorporating modern ideologies and tactics in the struggle for freedom. What is the name of agreement signed by India, PM Lal Bahadur Shastri and Pakistan's President Ayub Khan to end the 17-day Indo-Pakistan War of 1965? The correct answer is B, that is Tashkent Agreements. So the Prime Minister of India and the President of Pakistan have agreed that all armed personnel of the two countries shall be withdrawn not later than 25th February 1966 to the position they held prior to 5 August 1965, and both sides shall observe the ceasefire term on the ceasefire line. Vaikom Satyagraha, which aimed at securing freedom for all the section of society, was started at Kottayam district, Kerala in dash year. The correct answer is C, that is 1924. The All India Muslim League during the British India was formed in the year. The correct answer is B, that is 1906. So the founder of the All India Muslim League was Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Khwaja Salimullah Aga Khan Hakim Ajmal Khan. It was formed to safeguard the rights of Muslims, and on 30th December 1906, the Muslim League was formed in Dhaka, Bangladesh under the leadership of Aga Khan, who was the Nawab of Dhaka. The biggest building at Mohenjo-daro was the correct answer is D, that is Great Granary. So a granary has been found which the largest building of the Mohenjo-daro, and this granary is divided into 27 rooms of different sizes and shapes. The revolt of 1857 started from, the correct answer is C, that is Meerut. So India Mutiny, also called Sepoy Mutiny or First War of Independence, widespread but unsuccessful rebellion against British rule in India in 1857 to 59, and began in Meerut by Indian troops in the service of the British East India Company, and it is spread to Delhi, Agra, Kanpur and Lucknow. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.